Hi everyone, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl AsyDarlyn. So today I'm going to go for my retightening for my sister locks, and I've not gone. The last time I did my major retightening, that's the entire head, was 5th of December. So I tried this little experiment to keep the hair for 3 months. I've been washing it, yes, but because I know a lot of it have already formed the locks and it's not going to come off, like it's not going to slip, I decided, okay, let me stretch it. Let me see how much I can do. Typically, sister locks are supposed to go in by 1 month. Some go for 1 month. Each month you go to retighten. Some go for 6 weeks. But for me, I was always going for 6 weeks. But I decided, you know what, let me stretch it. But I would say in January, when I took down the protective styling I had on, I went to retighten just the front lines, and you can see that, of course, we're having so much undergrowth. By May, I would have been 1 year sister locked. So I started when my hair was really short. I can see a lot of progress. Woo! I'm done. Oh, this is like 25 minutes to 7. I'm going in today. She will do the washing and then we'll retighten. How you guys doing? There's a lot that has been happening. I have a wedding this Saturday, so I've not been able to be consistent with the vlogging, but I said, you know what, I'm going to make sure that I take you guys through this my process. For those of you that watch the sister locks video, if you're considering sister locks, please, it's a very good alternative. I'm going to talk more about it when I get to the salon. Okay, so let's start this video. My name is Asitonka Aggrey-Abah and channel is called AsyDarlyn because I'm such a darling. Alright, so I've gotten to the salon, but it's a bit noisy inside, and it's quite sunny. Hope you guys can see me. I can't even see myself. Anyway, so this is my hair. I'm going to do a video soon. I was in loose natural. I had my loose natural hair for about 4 years before I started sister locks. So I'm going to do a video. Let me know in the comment section below if you like that kind of video, like what are the differences and the advantages and disadvantages from loose natural to sister locks. I had my loose natural hair for 4 years, cut it. I was on low cut for another 1 year or about 2 years before I started sister locks. So I have experiences with both, and let me know if you would be interested in that kind of video. Precious. Now wow, now they come.
No, ma. I have to buy something.
Okay. How you doing now? You did video. Thank you. Do you know that there are actually people that think that sister locks is like a cult? That's wrong. I think maybe because most of the techniques, the tools, and all of that is trademarked. So if you're not in the sister locks community, you might not have so much information and all of that. But I don't really see it as a cult though. That's the way natural hair was that period, that oh, don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. But I feel with time a lot of these things will come out. But sister locks has been around for a very long time, and it's not so rampant in Nigeria. Do you know that there are people that still tell me, in fact yesterday I went to buy drinks for the wedding I have, and someone was asking me, sister, won't this thing cut your hair? I did not even have strength to answer that one, because I was like, it's my hair, like won't my hair cut my hair? What was that supposed to be? Anyway, I'm just near the road, that's why it's a bit noisy. I'm waiting for the loctician to come in, and I'll show you guys, like I said, it's been 3 months, and although the good thing about starting when your hair is short is it gets to lock. Most people, it's possible for you to do sister locks when your hair is long. Like you can start sister locks with relaxed hair. You can start sister locks with loose natural hair, but with relaxed hair, it will take a while before the locks will form, but it's possible. The good thing with short hair is the more you get new growth, that one just goes straight to locking. So those that have longer hair, it takes a lot longer for the hair to completely lock. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So it's a lot longer. I know someone that started even, I think, a year before me. Her hair has not properly locked. Like mine, you would see that a lot of it is already locks. It's already locks, and that's why I even had the mind to keep it for 3 months. If not, if it was when I just started, if you stay longer, before you know, everything has gone off. It's almost like you have afro. So that's another thing. I know I'm waiting for Naomi. You also do frog jump. See when you are coming. Let's go and see my loctician. Now me, you're not serious. How much security fee?
500 every month. Since I back inside that.
You never pay. These are the issues. You follow tomorrow. Complain for Buarima and catch you.
You have 4 million, sir.
You see, actually, see, everything that is stole from me, plus the rest, will you do that for me?
Are you?
Yes. No, go to the field. You just go and run now and get me my briefcase.
Only if you answer my questions. Yes, sir. Please.
It's one hand.
Sir. No, my work is there. Police checkpoint. You not carry.
Huh? I don't want to move around. What the hell I'm just doing here? Please, if I want to go and find this thing out and get me my briefcase. I don't think I do.
Why you not going to remember the place?
When were you coming?
Which one you said not there? Why you not going to remember where the place is?
I am in severe pains. Jesus. When are we going to finish now? Oh, I have to take ibuprofen because my head aches badly. So now wait for another 4 months. I'm not there for that one. This pain is too much, I beg. I'll wait for another, or maybe okay. The next by May it will be 1 year, so I'll come.
March, April,
May it will be 1 year. By May I'll come back. After that May, it's October. Finally. Everything is showing up. Like, my head hurts seriously. Hey, my edges. My little edges. Please, oh, come and brush it. My tiny edges. At least it's graying out. See now. I'm seeing hair. At least it's graying out. So I'm now I'm Sisterlocks. I mean, so we've done the retightening so nice. I always like when we do retightening. Alright guys, so I'm done from the salon. This is my hair. Fully relocked, and it's really late. It's about 7:07. So this is it after 3 months. None of them came out on those. Yes, none of them. My loctician has gone back home. I was going to ask her. So let me show you guys what I want to see. Alright, so this is my OOTD for the salon runs. You did video. Go see yourself for YouTube now. So this is my hair this morning. The pain has gone down, so I'm going to just get ready to start going out. I have a wedding tomorrow, so it's going to be a very, very busy day. I know I've been slacking. I'm just trying to see as many vlogs as I can put together. I shot a morning vlog. I don't know if it's up already or if it will be up after this video. Please guys, go and check it out. All right, let me take you guys with me. So see the Sisterlocks, we're doing pretty good. You know what, the beauty of it is when you just newly lock your hair, like the grids, everything, it just show you like ding. vlog. So I'm at a wedding today that I'm having, and I just wanted to show you guys my sister locks. Usually you start getting a better feel of it like after the retightening, because then it was so tight. Like I was saying, my edges are beginning to come out because I really did not have anything after years and years of braiding and just tight hair. So thankfully I'm having edges, and locks are looking really nice because a lot of people are just complimenting me. Oh, I'm good with that. Okay, so I'm going back inside. So if you're considering sister locks, please give it a go. And one thing, my loctician called me today while I was at the event place. I was with the bride at her hotel. My loctician, a lot of you know her, Naomi, because I put her in all my sister locks videos. She has cut her own traditional locks and she wants to start micro locks, and that's really amazing.
She can't run away from me each time.
She wants to start. You like video, eh? Go, this girl. She wants to start micro locks. So that's a great thing because I'm influencing a lot of people, and you all owe me money. You owe me money. If you start micro locks, just come and pay your tithes.